to improve your English speaking, practice regularly to allow yourself, listen to native speaker, make the small topic and practice every single day. That is, you can improve your English speaking. Hello everyone, welcome back to my new another video. How are you all? I hope everyone is good and fine and learning English in a good way. So today I will discuss that how to improve our English speaking. When we are learning English speaking, we are starting to speak the English speaking. So we face the so many problems that we cannot improve our English speaking. We know that how to connect the sentence, how to make the sentence. But when we start the English speaking, so thoughts will not come in our mind. So in this video, I will discuss that if you are a learner, if you are a beginner and you want to improve your English speaking, so which types of basic step you will have to follow that you can improve your English speaking. My first basic step is that make the small topic. Yes. Second step is that practice regularly. Third step is that speak aloud yourself. So these some steps that you will have to follow, then you can improve your English speaking. If you will follow these steps, then one day you can improve English and you will see your improvement for English speaking. So I will discuss these 3 steps that you will have to follow, then and how to follow. How will I have to follow these steps? Speak small topic. Yes. Why am I saying that we will have to speak small topic? Why we cannot speak big topic? I am tell the reason that why you should not start the English speaking for the advanced topic. When if you know the English speaking, that how to make the sentence, how to connect the word. So if you know these things, then you will have to take a small topic like car, bus, book, tree. You will have to speak every single day, take every single topic. Today you will take topic tree and you will have to start the speaking about the tree. You will have to think about the tree. What is a tree? What is a benefit? What is the advantage? What is a disadvantage? You will have to all about the tree. If you will think all about the tree, that what is the advantage, disadvantage, why we have to need the tree, then you can speak. Firstly think, note down in your copy, a notebook, then speak. I know that you cannot speak without seeing. No problem. You will have to speak with seeing. While seeing, you will have to speak. You will have to do process every single day. At least you will have to follow these process 7 days. First 7 days, if you will follow these steps, then after 7 days, when you pick the topic, another topic, then you can speak without seeing. So this process you will have to do every single day. Then after 7 days, you can see improvement on yourself. And second thing is that practice regularly. Yes. If you will not do practice regularly, then you cannot speak good. You can make topic, but if you will not do practice every single day, even you will miss one day, then next day you will not think about that I will have to speak, I will have to make this topic. You will think that I will make topic another day. One day if you will left, then you will think no, my mind is not good, I am not feeling well, and I will make topic another day. That is the reason that if we will not do practice regularly, then we cannot speak, we cannot improve our English speaking. So dear learner, dear beginner, you must follow second tips. One day one tips, second day, second tips. No. You will have to follow every single day. And third thing is that speak aloud yourself. Yes, when you know then how to make topic and you are practice every day, means you are making topic every day in your notebook. But if you will not try to speak aloud, then you cannot speak English in front of the public. You know that how to make sentence, you know how to make topic, and you are doing practice regularly every day. You are making topic every day. But if you will not speak aloud to yourself, then you cannot say that I am improving English. Okay? So you will have to speak aloud yourself. While making the topic, while note down your copy, practice every day, practice regularly. Then must follow third thing, that speak aloud. When you speak aloud, then you can remove your hesitation, as well as you can improve your English speaking, and you can speak in front of the public, in front of the camera, without any hesitation, with confidently. So dear learner, you must follow these 3 tips, that you can improve your English and one day you will see improvement. So this is my short opinion, this is my thoughts, that you can say that this is my own experience, that I will have to follow, I follow. So if you also want to improve your English, so must follow these 3 tips, that you can improve your English speaking. So how is this video? Please tell me in comments box, and see you soon again in next video. Bye bye.